Welcome to Motor Updates, your trusted source for the latest motorcycle news and reviews. Today, we bring you details of the much-anticipated 2025 new Hero Honda CD Down, a fresh addition to the commuter bike segment that blends classic reliability with modern features. Design and styling. The 2025 Hero Honda CD Down carries forward the iconic CD series look with a refined, minimalist design. Its sleek fuel tank, chrome accents, and updated graphics give it a stylish yet practical appearance. The comfortable seat and upright riding posture make it ideal for daily commutes and long city rides. Engine and performance. Powering the bike is a dependable 100 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine tuned for excellent fuel efficiency and smooth performance. With improved combustion technology, the CD Down offers better throttle response and reduced emissions, ensuring an eco-friendly ride without compromising on power. Features and technology. Hero Honda has equipped this model with modern touches, including a digital analog instrument cluster, LED headlamp, and tubeless tires for added safety. The bike also features an electric start option alongside the traditional kickstart for rider convenience. Mileage and practicality. True to the CD legacy, the 2025 CD Down focuses on delivering outstanding mileage, perfect for budget-conscious riders. Its lightweight frame, low maintenance cost, and robust suspension make it a reliable companion for urban and rural roads alike. Price and availability. The new Hero Honda CD Down is expected to launch at an attractive price point, keeping it accessible for everyday riders. With multiple color options and affordable servicing, it's set to become a top choice in the commuter bike market. Closing. That's all for the 2025 Hero Honda CD Down. Stay tuned to Motor Updates for more insights and the latest updates from the world of motorcycles.